Oftentimes, you also feel like this. Kunami, wow, very nice, very beautiful. But after some time, we realize, oh, I am a priest. And sometimes we say a few lies, few lies. We say that we are engineers, but actually we are priests. So it's good that inunaan na kami, you anticipated who we are. We are priests. And we are here to enjoy this day with you, and of course, to inspire you, and hopefully we can inspire one another. I'd just like to shortcut or to make this message short, yeah, if possible. Just a few experiences from the Philippines before we left, and now that we are here in Hong Kong, kami sa Pilipinas, we're rushing, fixing everything, especially our papers. Ano dagiti hassles niya? Ano dagiti kunada, if you can give this one, then shortcut mo, balin nga makapan kayo. So there are many hassles. And one time I was crossing, I was going down along Session Road, driving my old red car, and I saw this family with their children, 3 kids. Nga ukod-ukod na di ubdingda. Kita green, so nga nag-abantiya. But I saw this family with their kids, they just crossed, nag-cross galata. Then I stopped my car, kunang kadakwada, nung manang, awan kayon to, kat nagiti ubding yung makita da nga rin, across da baka maatalanda. And you know the response of these parents, nagrupangot da, nagbisuot da. Then when we reach Hong Kong, as lang ay pati pa nagtuprakat tilmon mlaan, you will be fined 1,500. Oh my God, pangalaan nito 1,500. So, di kakapakti man tilmon niya. And then, so that was our experience, my personal experience. Napintas dito Hong Kong, very disciplined kita tao. And I appreciate that, kunak, kasi kumamot ay Pilipinas. And I went on reflecting, kunak, sometimes for us Filipinos, staying in the Philippines, we think that all of you working abroad are very rich, with luxurious life. I also experienced nga, adaka-adaka iti agsang-sangit, adaka-iti may dilim. Yeah. So it's not only physical hardships, difficulties that we experience, but also the psychological aspect of life. You want to go home, but you cannot. Why? Because you are thinking the future of your families left there in the Philippines. Kada siguro iti kaslangay nga realidad na itibiyag. While we are working hard here, our children, our families are enjoying life there. Kaslang kasusadang ay kananta ko ay kankanay ay palago sa inguno dumatang payan at abi pugaw. Kanandaan na sitting amin din ay pulsa. Adida amoy sinmaan ba yan iliw kuma. Kaya sungay nga dahil siguro iti ka. So there are 2 points nga ipanangian ko dito niya. No nyaman iti naadal tayo akas Filipino values nga mati, then we try to make change, yeah. Especially now we are celebrating the Lenten season, and this morning we attended Mass